And my name is Isaac Ramos, and I am a digital connector.
Hi, my name is Joel Barrios, and I'm a digital connector.
My name is Alvin Chavez, and I'm a digital connector.
I'm Christina Franco, and I'm a digital connector.
My name is Daniel Gomez. I'm a Pixley digital connector. A digital connector is a person that helps the community with technology problems and helps bring technology into the community.
My first digital connector experience was a home visit. It was me and my colleague Daniel Gomez. We went to this one lady's house. Her computer didn't want to log on. She had a different account set up. She already had bought the XP operating system, so all we had to do was install it, make a fresh install, and get it up and running. Since it was my first one, it made me feel like I could do this, and I would like to keep doing more of that.
This guy came in with a laptop problem, and he sort of like was joking around, and he was like, "Oh, I'm gonna put you guys to the test." We were scared at first. We were like, "Oh my god."
We didn't know
we didn't know what we were gonna like, cause we like almost never use or try to anything with laptops, and it's always desktops. Yeah, we were like messing around with it. I was like, "Oh, okay, I've seen this before." And it's just like the regular computer. I was looking through the I pressed recover or search or something, and it was searching for the BIOS.
Yeah.
And well, I found them, and then I just saved everything, and then I restarted the computer, and it turned on.
Pretty old laptop, but
It was a challenge, but
you got the job done.
yeah. Hey, what's up? I'm a digital connector, and I would challenge all of you out there to do your best and be a digital connector, because digital connectors, us, we rock.
Being a digital connector is not about being nerdy, but you help out the community.
Digital connectors. If you join, you will not regret it.
Not only guys can do it, girls can too. So go ahead, girls, be a digital connector.
We're from
Pixley, and we're digital connectors.